try to follow the instruction: left, right, middle, center, corner. I will use all those words, right? Take a piece of paper in your hand and keep it in front of the video. Now what you have to do is first close your eyes. कोई cheating नहीं करेगा. Close your eyes, please. Today we are doing our ASL. As per the instruction of CBSE, we have to do the ASL regularly, continuously in the classroom. A single day, one cannot be judged for speaking or listening. You have taken the page in your hand, all right? Now close your eyes and follow my instruction carefully. I want to listen how careful, and I want to see how carefully you listen to the teacher. First of all, I think you have all closed your eyes. Let me see whether you have closed your eyes or not. Where? No cheating at all. No cheating at all. Please close your eyes and show your page. All right. Very good. No cheating at all. Nice. Lakshmi. Very good. Neha. All right. Right. Very good. Now, first instruction is fold your page from the middle. Fold your page from the middle. Don't open your eyes. Please don't open your eyes. Fold your page from the middle, right? Okay, very good. Let me see whether you are doing properly or not. Don't open your eyes. Huh? Let me see, video is going on. Okay, now, all right. From the middle, you have folded properly. Very good. I can see Akshita, Gudiya as well. All have, yes. Anjali, right, right. Sambhavi also very good. Sambhavi, have you taken very big page? Don't take very big page of newspaper, 1/4. Now, my next instruction is, now whatever paper is in your hand, fold it again from the middle so that it will become 1/4. Fold it again. Don't open your eyes, please. No cheating, please. No cheating, only listening and listening. No speaking, only listening. Yes, folded your page properly. I have also folded my page. No one can see, please. Now what you have to do, try to listen. Now second instruction from my side. Second instruction is tear the page just the corner, that is the corner of all the pages, all the edges. Tear and throw it. A small piece. Tear and throw it. Close your eyes. Don't open. Close your. Tear and throw it. And then this is the third instruction. And fourth instruction is again you fold your page, whatever is in your hand, from the middle. Again fold it, make it small. Again fold it, make it small. All right, very good. Good activity going on. Nice. Don't open your eyes. No cheating at all. Very good. Very nice. Small piece in your hand. Now tear it from its right corner. Your right corner. Tear it out from your right. No opening eyes, please. Don't. No cheating, please. Tear it. The page that is in your hand. Tear its right hand corner. Your right hand corner. Tear the right hand corner. Right hand corner. Very good. Your right hand corner. Very good. Very nice. Now you tear the piece that is in your hand from the middle. From the middle, tear and throw out. Tear, slide tear, make a hole as if it is a hole. Slide hole and tear out and throw it. And throw. Please close your eyes. Don't open, please. No cheating at all. Again, you, now this is my next instruction. Next instruction to cut a small piece of paper and throw out towards the left side of the page. Left side of the page that is in your small piece is in your hand. Don't open. Simply tear a small piece and throw out. Left side, your left side, not anyone's left side. What is in your hand? Okay. Now left side is over. Left side you have torn and you have thrown out. Okay. Now my next instruction is not, don't open please, don't open your eyes, don't open your page, simply listen. This is the listening skill. Now what you have to do is, towards the middle of the page that you are having in your hand, the middle part, make one a slight hole there, I mean tear and throw out. Again, I mean just pen is in your hand, you make a slight hole slowly, very slowly, make a hole, don't open your eyes, no cheating at all. Nice, make a slight hole, very good, nice. Okay, now you take your hands towards the left and right position, means in the middle. Left and right position in the middle towards the corner, and tear it slightly and throw out. Tear it slightly and throw out. No cheating, please. No cheating, please. Don't open your eyes. Let me see whether you are listening to my instruction properly or not. If you are listening my instruction today properly, I think you will be fine in my classes also. Well, good. Don't open your eyes. No cheating at all. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Well, Risha, very good. Ankita, nice. Himanshu, good. Vivek, also very good. Anupam, very good. Nice. Anjali, you have not switched on the video, and Sanjana as well. Okay, now my next instruction is, don't open your eyes. Don't open your eye, please. My next instruction is, take a long breath. Take a long breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Thinking that whatever you have listened, whatever teacher gave the instruction, and you have listened it properly. If it is right, all right. If it is wrong, all right. Don't take it to your heart. And now open your eyes. Everyone, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Don't open your page. Don't open your page. Simply open your eyes. And first of all, you tell me, without opening, don't open please. You tell me how you felt when you were closing your eyes. When you were sitting in your closed eye position. One line, anyone please, quickly, don't open. Akshita, don't open. I'll tell you later on. What was going in your mind? I want to listen from Riya. What was going in your mind when you had closed your eyes? One line, please, quickly. You were thinking that you are doing something good, or you are listening to the teacher properly. Or now, all of you, please open your. Hanji, yes, please, Riya.
मैम आप जो बोल रही हैं बस वो समझ में आया था, क्या कर रहे हैं वो समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
Well, very good. Now what I want to say, you open your design, whatever you have created. Open the design, whatever you have created. Yes, just to see. Akshita, what type of design you have drawn? Then, Aman, Commerce, I cannot see you. Sambhavi, this is your drawing. And see, you can see everybody's drawing. Divya, where is your... Show me, see. Different drawing, different. Right hand side, left hand side. This is Riya. Yes, nice. And this is your Keshav. Very good. See, Richa. What Richa has followed. See, how was her? How did she could listen? Teachers. Divya, where is yours? Show me. Yes, Anshupriya, show me. Neha, show me. Yes, Anshupriya has little bit understood nicely. Sonal, where is yours? Show me your page. Sonal, well, good, nice. Vikas, show me yours. Show me your page, show me your design. Acha, this is your design. You have followed your instruction, right? You have followed the teacher's instruction. Prakriti, Swastika, Shivam, where is yours? Shiv, I cannot see yours. Anjali, very good. Nice. Prakriti, this is your design. Swastika, Palak, this is your design. And Krita, this is yours. Sanjana, this is your design. Now everyone can see the design of Sanjana. Everyone can see the design of Rishabh. Hearts, you can see different designs. Akshita, your design is somewhat different. Aman Kamal, your design is also. And Amit. And Gudiya, let me see your design. I think all of you have seen the design of your friends. And now, are you happy? How was the listening activity? You tell me.
Interesting, ma'am.
How was the listening activity? My instruction was same to all the students. My instruction was same to all the students. Whereas how you listened? My instruction was same, but you listened it differently. I want to ask you, somebody, how do you feel when you see your design?
Very interesting, ma'am.
Okay. Ria, how was that?
Ma'am, it's good.
Good. Richa, how did you feel?
Ma'am,
Your name,
interesting.
please. Okay, very interesting. Keshav, could you listen to the teacher's instruction properly?
Yes,
How did
ma'am.
Yes, and you are happy. Where is your design?
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्या बनना.
Something new design. It actually teacher instructed only same sentences to all, same instruction to all, but you have listened like this. Anshupriya, let me see yours. How did you feel by seeing your drawing? Are you happy that you have listened to the teacher properly? Oh yes, right. Are you
Yes,
happy?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Neha, what is your Rishabh Anand? How was that? Rishabh Anand, please. I'm not going to. Well, Swastika Palak, please.
Ma'am, it was good.
Well, and Amit Kumar, I want to listen from you as well.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
How was that? How was that?
अच्छा लगा, ma'am.
Well, good. Very nice. Thank you very much for the good response that you have participated nicely today and you were very eager what is going to take place today. It was very nice. I think so from my side. It was amazing from my side. And you might not have experienced in the very beginning that what is going to take place. Divya, I couldn't see your design. Let me see your design. Show me. Show me, please. Either it is a blank page like this. Is it a blank page? Oh, Divya, this is your drawing. Wow, good. Yes. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much for today's participation in the class. Very patiently you have participated and listened to the teacher's instruction as well. So this was the listening activity that we did in the class. I have many more activities with me. Later on, regularly we will be doing our classes, listening as well as speaking also. Now, after this listening skill, I would like to move to our classroom, right? Means come to our lesson.